Top 10 Quotes of Franz Kafka. I cannot make you understand. I cannot make anyone understand what is happening inside me. I cannot even explain it to myself. I am a cage in search of a bird. In the struggle between yourself and the world, back the world, I usually solve problems by letting them devour me. The meaning of life is that it stops. Don't bend, don't water it down, don't try to make it logical. Don't edit your own soul according to the fashion. Rather, follow your most intense obsessions mercilessly. Paths are made by walking. It's only because of their stupidity that they're able to be so sure of themselves. Every revolution evaporates, leaving behind only the slime of a new bureaucracy. A book must be the axe for the frozen sea within us. Don't bend, don't water it down, don't try to make it logical. Don't edit your own soul according to the fashion. Rather, follow your most intense obsessions mercilessly. From a certain point onward, there is no longer any turning back. That is the point that must be reached. You do not need to leave your room. Remain sitting at your table and listen. Do not even listen. Simply wait. Do not even wait. Be still and solitary. The world will freely offer itself to you to be unmasked. It has no choice. It will roll in ecstasy at your feet. I write differently from what I speak. I speak differently from what I think. I think differently from the way I ought to think. And so it all proceeds into deepest darkness. In the struggle between yourself and the world. Second, the world. There is an infinite amount of hope in the universe, but not for us. Start with what is right rather than what is acceptable. So long as you have food in your mouth, you have solved all questions for the time being. In the midst of winter, I found there was within me an invincible summer. Youth is happy because it has the ability to see beauty. Anyone who keeps the ability to see beauty never grows old. Thanks for watch. Subscribe for more videos at Onward.